Warning, do not use this ammeter conversion if you've fitted electric fans or any other high current loading device, as it is a potential fire hazard. Only to be used with a standard setup. Here is the engine bay wiring diagram for the new modified wiring to accommodate the GDS gauges. Now, there's two things that we have to add onto the body harness connector, and that is JW, which is a new wire ran, it says there, only when ammeter fitted, ran up to the alternator, that's for the ammeter. And also we've got to remove, it says there, all models except when ammeter fitted, got to remove the wire that goes from the back of the alternator to the battery. That's for the ammeter modifications. And for the tacho, got a new wire here, JZ, which has to run from the body harness connector up to the negative side of your ignition coil. So this is the engine bay modifications that I had to do. This is your body harness connector. This is the new wire JW that goes to the alternator, to run a wire from there. And the one down here is JZ, which has to go to the negative side of the coil for the tacho. So the wiring just runs up through the wiring loom, across the back here, and there is negative terminal on the coil. That's the new wire. That's JZ for the tacho. And the new wire for the alternator, it goes to the ammeter, runs all the way through the loom, and this is the new wire JW, just here on here. And there was originally a wire that ran from this terminal here up to my battery, which you have to remove now. Well, the battery isn't here, but yeah, that wire's got to be removed so that the ammeter works. So this is the back of the fuse panel. That brown wire you can see there is JW, which I've now put a lug on it and put it into this terminal. You can see this terminal is where all the main wires come in from the battery, or GZ, and that come in through this point. So that's where we're connecting up the JW.